Meet Boslla RGB. The world's brightest LED headlight bulb with RGB daytime running light offers you a safe and spectacular driving experience day and night. Boslla RGB adopts RGB patent design. Liquid-cooled copper heat pipe, conducting heat amount 3 times of the market standard. The high-power custom LED chip makes it the brightest LED headlight in the world. The custom RGB chip can change from red to green to blue, making your car even more amazing and dashing. The cutting-edge 8,500 RPM dual-ball cooling fan delivers twice the market standard cooling rate. High-quality electronic components of EU standards make Boslla RGB smarter and steadier. This is Boslla RGB. Whether it's traditional halogen bulb, xenon bulb, or Philips LED headlight, they are headlights only. Boslla RGB has both headlight and DRL functionality, a genuine revolutionary innovation in auto headlights. The gradient RGB DRL function makes your car unique and cool on sunny days, and easier to be identified in rainy, foggy, and snowy days, improving daytime driving safety. Changing from DRL to headlights is only one switch away. The low beam of the Boslla RGB standard will never dazzle an oncoming car. The focused high beam is 3 times brighter than the halogen bulb and twice than the xenon bulb. Keeping Boslla RGB high beam and low beam both on at the same time can make your lights look like owls. Boslla RGB can work continuously under extreme conditions such as fire, high temperature, water, and ice. It takes only 10 minutes to install. Plug and play, just like a halogen bulb. An additional DRL installation requires drilling, screwing, and cutting the power cord to connect to the DRL, which is complicated and takes an hour or more. We designed Boslla RGB to fit most cars. Boslla RGB, your safer and cooler driving experience day and night.